make this. Put the Add it first. You get this kutsara and dip this. You get like that. Yeah, like that. Hey, this is my kutsara. So yummy, guys. PPR. Caramel? What did you say? Caramel. Caramel. What caramel? I don't know that. Kasi nakakita ani unsa tud. Mag-fruit na uli. Mixed cookies and cream. And this one. I think. Rainbow Pop Caramel Flavor Milk. Amogi mix. Yeah, I think. There's a brown here. Oh, wait. Hindi. Ipakita sila. Guys, look at this cream. Oh my gosh, ito. Sige, try. In 3, 2, 1, go. Is it good? Tastes like coffee. Coffee? Coffee. Only small. Tastes like coffee. Coffee. I like coffee too much. Masya caramel. Caramel ba kani? Pagkanaw ni mo cookies and cream, pero pag tilaw ni mo, morning flavor. No? So bad. Sour? Or bitter? Sour. This is sour cream in the world. That's not the sourest in the world. Don't shut up. Don't tell anyone. Okay, I not tell. I don't shut up. Okay, I do not shut up. This is rainbow. Okay. Look, this is rainbow sour. Okay, let me put. Once more. Okay, pagkuha dito toothpick. No. Why? Because too much for me. Only one, bro. No. Sour. Sister, try this. Tastes like